Hi guys, today I'm doing a water test on the JBL Tuner 2. If you haven't already seen the unboxing other sound tests of this Tuner 2 against the Go 3 and Clip 4, be sure to check those out. Now this is an IPX7 waterproof rating, which means it's waterproof for 30 minutes at a depth of 1 metre. We aren't going down to 1 metre here, but that's okay as this thing actually floats anyway, so you'd have to hold it down for it to stay at 1 metre. So the depth is sort of irrelevant really anyway, to be totally honest. Anyway, let's find out if it still works after being in the water for that sort of time. Now it's around 90 to 100% volume here guys. It does lose connection temporarily if it's held underwater completely, but connects straight away once it's brought to the surface. Guys, do not charge your device until it is definitely totally dry in case you get an electric shock, so give it a good shake and leave it overnight on tissue paper or kitchen towel in a warm place. This is a great little Bluetooth speaker and tuner that's totally waterproof, as you've seen, which I've actually been using at work every day now for over a week since this test with no problems at all. Drop test coming on this soon, so keep an eye out for that one. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.